If you have tried running Facebook ads, you might have faced stuff like your Facebook account is restricted, ads not getting approved or suddenly stop, getting banned right after creating a new profile, or business manager disabled out of nowhere. So why we use a proxy? A proxy is like a mask for your internet connection. It hides your real location, your IP address, and makes it look like you're somewhere else. And this is important also if you travel most of the time. Okay, so avoid getting blocked or get flagged. If you use many Facebook profiles, Facebook will notice if they all come from the same place, same IP address. So that's a red flag for Facebook. And we, as an affiliate marketer, and if we are truly serious to run this as our own business, we really need to have different Facebook profiles to run our campaign. So this is how we can scale up. Having a proxy, you can manage multiple accounts safely. So running ads for more than one business. So if you are running ads for more than one business, each account should look like it's being used by a real person in a real location. So this helps with ad approval and trust. And this will also help you protect your personal information. So some people don't want Facebook to track their every move. So proxies help keep your identity and location private. So now, this is very important. So don't use free or low quality proxies. They're often blocked by Facebook and can make things worse. So use residential, they look more real. So now let me show you how you can check your primary location on Facebook. So this is one of my profile. So if you will go here, you will see your profile photo and just click settings and privacy. Go to settings. Here you can see your information, but Facebook keeps on changing. If you have your Meta account center showing here, just click here because in my case I already have that set up. So just see more account center, and here you will see your information and permission. Just click this one. Now if you do not have this Meta account center in your account, then you can find here this your information and permissions. Okay, so you can just go and click that your informations and permission and click here access your information. So you will see here, this is my primary location. So I am in Boston, Massachusetts. So let's say, for example, if I am here currently in China, or let's say I go back to the Philippines, so it doesn't matter if I log in to this profile, to this Facebook account, and run my business because I am using this proxy with GoLogin. I hope this makes sense. Now let me show you another way on how you can check your primary location for your business page, because Facebook have different ways to check it. So if I will go here, I will go to settings and privacy, and then I'll go settings, and you will see here the difference. Okay, so I'm in settings and privacy, and I need to go and scroll down and look for your information. Just click here access your information, and you will see here log information. So just click this one, go to personal information. So you will see here your account creation date. So I created this on December 19, 2024. And let's see here if you can find your location. So if you cannot find your location here, let's see it here, log information, location interest, let's see it here. So you will see your location of interest. In my case is Boston, Massachusetts. So if I will go back here, settings, if I will go here, settings, and then I'll just go and type here, primary location, click enter, access your information. Let's just type here, primary location, and then I'll just click this, voting location. So I will just click this, your primary location. So you will see here that my primary location is unknown. And if you want to learn more about how to set up your proxy with GoLogin, I have this Udemy course called Affiliate Marketing ClickBank Success Guide. You can get a free sneak peek by clicking this. And about the proxy, I have this lesson here, my private proxy IP to use, and how to create a GoLogin virtual browser. And if you will sign up today, you can apply this special discount coupon. Just enter it here and click apply. I hope to see you inside.